say ɔman no betimi adan to kwa mo hwɛ na atwa wahunu hwɛ twade aha so water cannon na process enso na won sa na nsuo hye o ya ha ene etu sa ha ene ngusie firi mu ba
so mabunu se wo mo enti
me hwɛ so wahunu enra kantamanto eja to kantamanto ye pensuo dum kantamanto eja no ye nya nsuo no mu no pure water ene wamototo ene ya tete anugum ne nya bi ene ya nya nsuo pa nsuo hye ene de gu ayim ya pompe and this force there be still kan omokra ha practice ne bi ene masha mo hwe no.
Not thrown this, the ties will not be bent. But the fact that they started throwing this and shooting at our boys, unprovoked, our boys actually went back. And that's exactly what happened.
Okay, how many of your people have been wounded?
I know 2 of them, I'm told, have been arrested. And then one has been shot. And then another lady, a military used another gun, another lady, I was with her. I've arranged for them to take her to the hospital. So I know as we are here, a couple of them will keep coming because they have to disperse them and scatter most of them. So that's the problem. I'm told that 5 of them even collapsed because of the tear gas.
So where are you taking these equipment?
I'm going to show it. I am going to show it to our leadership. I'm going to show it to our leadership. My national chairman, and then the general secretary, and the flag bearer of our party, and then I'm sure they will ask what happened. And I'm trying to locate the live bullet that was the shell of the live bullet. When I finish with that one, then I will use that one to actually show to them to see that leaders. The information I got was that our people were having a peaceful demonstration.
Exactly.
And then the police and the army started brutalizing them, and so they also started burning ties. And so that's exactly why I'm taking this thing as evidence to show to them what happened, and then I'd also bring evidence of the ties that were bent. That's exactly the reason why I'm holding this.
Mama ewa amontre so no ma obi anko so kwa kohwe bi ma obi anko ho mo de montena Angel TV so na mo hwe Facebook de akoso bia na de ema mo no na owura Joshua Kamba ya oye ndisa amanyeko no national organization national work kan se demonstration mo ye no na nka mo ko no boko wo behunu ansa asrafo Prosifo bambodmefo na water cannon so she ya pompe gu omsi ya wa se we bia wo spray kokoko so no ye spray sa ma wo se aboba live bullet aboba etumi ekum nipa wo se enukra wo hunu bi nti wo nukra wa fa wo de ne pen fo bedwuro nsem na bebre nti esre mo a mo hunu ade kakra ba na mo ba pin ho no de mo hunu na mo hwe ne sa no enya bayira bro na adwo enya ayi o nti mo so pin ho no mo obi anhwe na wonye na meka say yensam treni Kwadwo baafo Oduro Kwadwo ya gina yie pa gina yie man na ya de hunu ha no de enye bete sa enye bete kora so wonye ba bia gina be san na esi kro Kwadwo baafo otimenka ka wo bo pre bia police fo no wo mo ha de ka ho ye safe ba bia police fo do mo car no bia ko gina no ho de obo pro ho no mo am gire se ho obeye secured ho na so wotime anyi baby se gina barricade ya se ho gina ho sam se ho de ho adwo kakra na wotime nka na twefoni ni kire ye Kwadwo ntime nka Kwadwo ntime nka menua no ntime nka me gire se wo ye safe de se babia wo gina se ho ye na bibia ento na tene ento nkampo ka no kra ye ento nkan na se na we safe di a eno de ye ene ka nya hwe na ye bia nhwe se ensa betimi aka ye nua Kwadwo baafo na wa na sumsum ade na guo no sa bayi na atwa minim no wa police fo ayi no barricade no wa na sumsum aguo na wa mo na akaka gu
se bia pere ni mu no wo fa ena kire se akofa we aba eti babia du ne de ayi wo fa ato ani bre aw eti na hyasere me ka se ebre yi mu nya bra ye de kansam a ehye abufuo so se we ya bo bi obekokun bia wo bedi ntwo ne nani abre enti wo tena nkyɛn no o ntimi nya bibia ɛna wo ntimi nya hwe na wo hye nipa da bufuo
yɛn hwɛ sɛ afede bia ne mensaka baafo Kwadwo afere otimi nka me chia josuma je mesuma mintie Kwadwo otimi nka wante menka na atwe ye mohwi na mensanko tamarenso emra we no eye akra na aso gonsa no ya water cannon ne emu yi nyina pampamomo omo so omo nko no na water so aso na mamenko tamale emra Kwadwo se otimi nka wo de meka se otimi nka de otimi bowuram meto nka meja matio otimi nka wante menka enti meko tamale na tamale na Northern Regional Chairman adema NDC amanyoko no owura Ibrahim Mobila wono so akachire Electoral Commission Chairperson Mamenje Mensa se wo ma no se na yawo na atwa se na yawo wo so wo ma no wo china fie ya wo ma ta ma so wo mutie se wo china beso na se Mamenje Mensa won for a press conference emeka se oye mistake and wade akonwa na mana na ado enti wakwarete no ho enti afede owura John Dramani Mahama na edi enti o maji na konwa wo mo siche se de besie wa Ghana ha no mo enti no nso mra ya hwe se ha wona mo nso mo kasa no wa hye che no we are not regional chairman the NDC amanyoko Ibrahim Mobila
the measure is bringing confusion for this country. We have people who cannot run, people in the hospital, pregnant women, young women, small children. So we are the God-fearing party. So we are advising him to come out immediately and change his resource matter on the Friday, get Friday. Otherwise, someone else will decide for our incoming president what we can do for him to sit in the chair.
Ena wamo kano wama shase efre owura John Dramani Mahama say our incoming president yaman pani a wo ba wamo man pani a wo betra kunwa so efiri January 7 day kono omse wo mo hwe nanim se wo chena mame James one for press conference we atifi mantemu NDC amanyoko no wo mo chema ho so na aso gon no ya kire se owura Ibrahim Mobila sabra no so na wa central we not in the na make no wa central so NDC for supporters ho so aso no dendendre ya wo mo so praka so ma twetwe he eja no ma so no ya mama soja montre so gon tai ne yeshin ho egusie si yakumo wo mo chere se wo mo so no Mahama no peace se Mamenje Mensa na Electoral Commission wo ma mafra press conference ya no na fom ye sa konwa no JDM de anto magina ade a wo mo so chere se enya de a Mahama nta konwa so be maga na ha pa adwo de enya lalai
We want justice in this country. So we want the reality. They should reveal everything so that we all understand. If not, we will accept. We will not accept this. We will not accept this. We want justice in this country. We want justice. If not, we want democracy. If not, we will leave. We will never ever leave this thing. We want Mahama. We want Mahama. No Mahama, no peace.
We say no Mahama no peace ejana muhunu no NGTV so no kumo no life ya no so wa emontre so pa high main road no so enda adobafo no nkofo duru ade so mo manefa nchen ewiem sie kumo kai koba ne adata so ne atwe petagu so ene atwe jatumu wo so mo de ekọ Electoral Commission for office na police for se ahene ne ha wo so police for mo so ahene ha ne bi yesra mo yebesa akọ Accra wa wo ni bibiya no mempie for your own safety empie enkohwehwe na Accra enso enwosa se Kwadwo afra woteme nka mema aha Jimsway Jimsuma mintie
Efira beton kapa
otime nka ho
a beton ka efira
said ye bayi water can no eja ne ye toto no emu adwo na ndise force afa de wo mbe kofia na
efira se se kra de oba kra de anu aye di papa de koso ano ya awe WhatsApp ele koso o be pie mo ha esi a police ni any military no bufo ahye omo akoma mu ma ni na se tima mu to omo ye demonstration na omo ye protest no wo be pie mo ha no omo ye police for enya exchange omo to abo intine de koso ha ne de ade awe WhatsApp tami amelo ka say tear gas any rubber bullet ne de gusua na edi ehim e wo ha ni na se police ni any military no chase protesters no wo be pie mo ha no ma say ye de free electoral commission ya ba be pie mo slam down over CPP for headquarters any more pepe and protesters ni bi ebo ruaye na obi pema kojo abrewa onya be 68 70 years eka demonstration ho a omo etoto bo abo police soja ni ba ko soja polo achira obi pema ha no they say enje idiom akwakoye brutality e chewa na ya discipline okaka and emnante no so wo mu so no o ma ti bebre itu be pema ha no na aya are WhatsApp ya agentsemu kojo
ya kakra ya kura ya nyina ho no ma ya hwe no NGTV so no wutum se agense mo ampa hwe ensuna no adre papa asa tsunami na wo mo pompisa na ensuna adruka because minim sa water can no aposi for the aba no kan wa wutum nyina but se do mo si pompere nyina no still no edom no ba na eba
Bueno, se sabe lo que se cra asat na Dominic bi cra ba se cra ababa be drum so ensi poma omo so baba be join team no na oba se na omo ye ne se omo tiche omo mu ekueku bi enam efa na bi so enam efa etu be pimo akra ha no na demonstrators ni na askata akra ha na convention point na komaba be pie electoral commission ho e se ko ba sa na emaye soja for any police for ekobo ban electoral commission won say omo twan mo maba but edu baby no na ano ya tinti na say soja for police for omo share protesters and said ya make me draw mo back it is say omo draw mo back amado to na kwa kopie mo kanda highway so ele bi so lori asalam down any alisa hotel courage hall mo so e bi ewere mo tuba police ni military no omo tiche omo mu akweko and omo chase protesters and do be pie mo ha dia are hostel tear gas and rubber bullet ni egusua to any so no omo de pam wo mo do be pie mo akojo are hostel and ekoso ewo ye akra central halum say
na sanso na etifi mantemu omo so omo di no mahama no peace sese wahama ameta kunyan so a nyado mbe magana somdwe wa central so de ka akoba na Kwadwo se otimen ka omo so apake na omo di petrol guso no matweja tum so omo de Kwadwo commission office wo wa ho enti anu ayedre na besre manfo ya maba Facebook so dom mo maba begu ANGEL102.9 Facebook so na srem wada comment de wotimi be comment bi na ya no wahwe tune ya wode twere no wonsem a wotwere no mo hwe se enkose bufuo e pamchopa wo betimi aba so de dom no mo ba so no mo behwe bi mo twere comments bere sem de betimi ba kenkan bia na wahwe tune chese mpasem chese language na wo twere no bunsa brofo na mo twere nanso no ama no na befom mama na nhihye bufu be hunu bi wa ha no mo nyade ameka ankora na akwose nkofo bu mabatra ne mo munya ne sa bokwa fam Kwadwo ye besan aba wo ho nche bia Kwadwo bafo eno eye Accra emonten so de ekoso no na atwe fa de ne wura mu na ye hwaba
wafa ayi ye kire ne de ebi koso ewo emiamia ahoro na so ye ni kan so no na yenko eye wanchi empatamu ene wanchi high court ya no ewo bromantam ne mu no wo mo atenase na omo de atamuo aba ofa edikan ede efa ne wadi nkunimu a wobefa eye MP akonya ewo sene west abato empeso so ni nyina eye chinye ye no ekoso ewo ho we eye asamu a NPP amanyoko ne dehye ni de ani Joseph Make kuma en wode ekwama court no se wante ne ho ase ewo abato no emu wamra wano ankasa Make no wagina eye NPP dimu na eno nso enenam so a NPP amanyoko no ede eye de ofre no injunction no ebi wakwaje wo court en wode ekwato eye abato no ne moboye eso na kyerɛ sɛ ensɛm no kwasɛm ni ano ayɛ den ama enne court no ebua efa edikan ama kyerɛ sɛ baabi a akwakodu no ne nyina no ɛyade sɛ yebetie ho asɛm na sɛ wohwɛ mu nso a NDC de hye ya wono egina mu sɛ wo pre ɛyɛ MP akonya ɛwɔ Sene West ɛde ama NDC di mu no ne di ene kwa matwumasi ampofo enti ofa edikan ya ɛyɛ atemu a court no ɛde ɛbaayɛ no yɛni kan entie ɛho nsɛm wɔ mra ɛyɛ NDC amayoko no General Secretary Johnson ɛsiedu enketia kasa
na ya de mafoɔ so akɔkɔ to hɔrmo aha nti mo a mo hwɛ Facebook ne NGTV no wenchi court hɔ na ya de ɛho video high court na de video mamo no
cost and for my nano injunction no so and also almost 2 years and also 6,000 this is here people for the 20,000 and no free wa I say electoral commission going into the affair any electoral commission and controversy ya pay the kwahi and da the kwaku Nunti ya kwa electoral commission ya kwa milimu ebitumi ba kone se ebia ye beka se ekuyi adaka no abekai na adaka no ye mienu nyina se atempa wo adaka wo mu di kan ka se wo mu me nkai se atempa wo enunti na wo ba court enti wo mu ntimi nsan ko ka se afi di ye nko kai ena nipa no a owi adaka no so ya che no de na ko to prison enti court kura nim se waye boni bi it means say watempa of box na obi boni no entimi ka say mo fine say
General kasa
tato bato fo wo mo ento abani enunti ye koi ye ko ese baye a bitimi afa so ama tato bato fo wo mo ato aba na wo mo agene so abeka parliamentary election near declare
This is Angel 102.9.
About one say better say and say yeah. Yeah, you declare MP near the different.
The General Secretary of the NDC.
102.9.
eti ene wanchi high court ya no ewo bono mantam no emu atenasie ya wo mo ekoye na atemu nso ya wo mo de aba na wo mo gina sonso abo eye NPP fo asem ede aguo ma enam so na court no abo NPP fo ka eti wote se General Secretary dima NDC kan wasem se wo hye eye ka court no abua ede ama ana wabua de tia NPP fo no a na cha se NPP ede NDC fo ka sikabe 20,000 Ghana cedis enunti NDC General Secretary Johnson Asiedu Nketia nenka ena yate ye no asem yi hunti ena ye kɔ eye yenua ya wogira yanan ye fra no adom nana piesie ya oprako wogira yanan ananso se eye radio station kese ba ko a ye fra no ewiase FM ɛhɔ ena ogina wato ye enkra eti nana wotime nka ye mo ahan na ja wabadie boyamane edan ena wohwemu a court no eka ye ene empempenso ya asam no aduru ewo wanchi ene ne mpotamu
Midday ba na me tin ke na no na no ada asapo da na go ko ye na uti ba to be sia ba abrante ba ko tin ba ta ba ko ti ho ba na no amu ye ne ke aba ko ta ke ti ke aba no ye abrante na sita ne hotem election na about one person aba se kuni ke na ba ko ti ta ta ti no e ta to ba kuni ke ti e mo asem e ti na 24 parties and then the his lordship justice Frederick no it is na e and na o she na e se ma e ti ko e ba be dan no no e say o ba for the public after one of these things, but the man and Kaya Banan is Tika at all, you cannot be a Ghana chicken, but 2,000 Ghana. Now, Eddie Kaino is not a brand new people and the police. The Kumba one no any big na o bi nke sa ya ni ba ni ni no ado mo kwa sisi na ka si ni de sika eye de ka je ka ba eto NP tamani ko sisi ni ya ni jenne na ko ya mo ka se no bi ya ban e za to ma ka ya ban ni 14,000 ya na ka se ma na was NP tamani ko na ND tamani ko no e de NP tamani na ben penifota sisi Justice Frederick Standard, the Lordship, as I say, the entire on the one and the problem. What easy and what human and if you want to know what kind of money, not the Sefatan Pamano, the ND, the information, the Pamano. You want to say, okay, my fight, no matter but not limited to be hopeful. Omo mutu aba oba bi yen e be sa ko aba aba e do bi za mo na baby e ye se aba do mo ya ba na e se be mo no se man ye e bi en so e be kan ye ya de se ya ye o fa kan me
yɛda ase paa yɛnua adom na na piesie ya preko ɛwɔ ewiase FM ɛwɔ wanchi ɛwɔ bromantam no emu na ma ne bɔ ɛda no so yate bie no eti baabi adu no deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ wanchi high court ɛwɔ bromantam ne mu asetena ya wɔ mu atena seɛ na wɔde atemuo no ɔfa edikan ɛne wɔnom ɛde aba nea wɔde nkunimu a wɔbɛfa ɛyɛ MP akonya ɛwɔ Sene West abatoɔ empesua so eti de edikan kra no court ne kyerɛ mu sɛ NPP for asɛ court no a time eti abo mo eka ofe otoso mienu ene se wo mo nkɔ na aba no wo mo san enkɔ kan biem
amanfo asase to asomdwe enkra amwako Joseph say let's pray for peace for Ghana yemompa ma Ghana asomdwe obapa konadi was NDC go to court and stop what you doing be ya monfo mani Supreme Court na mumfre amontene so Sally Aboaje was say sabre wakase JDM and the NDC leaders are relaxing their homes and mo de mugu abonten de pompe nsohie gu muso was say John Dramani Mahama na NDC penefo no say obi agogo no ho bi kura yo mo fa na mo de mugu abonten afa nsohie petemo so sa wai monhwe manfo egusoa etufo e wo Facebook no so sa ne pase mokonwa nemum owura Ibrahim Abbas wono oprai abra na bato no ekoso amomde no koto Teaching Hospital wankra ha na asemo aba enese anyeyi ama wono na oda ho no so manfo beka ya abra na yeto aba no yeyi wose ekire mu sabra na wapra ama na atwe so beka ya na mekra meka so nyame ya aduma bi obeba nkomfi se ohwa wakeka no ho kakra sabe no wapra ti na wo so na akra kakra na enkra banje se yetri anyi ama Ibrahim Abbas wafirimu na etuo ena kan no abato bremu Ablekuma Central ye wo enkramantem ha ya sabre no woni nipa nan bi na etuo no be kan mu prepare na police ni ba kokora ka ho ama na wo kyerem woni nipa ba kon susu se wo no etutuo no be wo be friends kola na won de wache no enipa sabre we pray Ibrahim Abbas sania muslimfo wo mo hihye mu esi ete no akopa no kurabre ewa wudome cemetery na endise amanyuko no yomo Ablekuma Central wo mo so frat satan trene enya dwuma na hotumi adwo twetwefo de ma endise amanyuko no yomo Ablekuma Central Sumaila Al-Hassan
kese nyese mbra ma yempeni for dom na see for more nka neno e bia na bibi fufu so SS ba se na wo kan na as leaders no se bibi sia se ye pekwan a ye ne ye chimma be kasa na bibia e koso no mo so benya abotre na enso aya omo nyomo expect efie ho ne ehun sanso so a mo yi samo yama na bani ndi ye ya dwen se ne se ye e ma omo kuma to mu yam no ye be famra kwan so na ya so for now ne no ma kasa ndi omo so omo de woni to asama ya ka kire omo no ma hwe ebia from now e kopim say next ana 1 week later na so mo hwe ya nim ne be because aboy na boy say or a young guy na down for any omo ntia say BBC atono but sometimes we be ba as a Muslims no na say ya fa manyame but the so all the manyame so obi so ntia say what as ha it is say no makasa omo kuma to mu yama wa form omo hwe ne enso be ye so me say we fa the due process na hwe ne betumi aye ama so mo kuma to form aba form
we owura Sumaila Al-Hassan ya waye NDC amanyuko no amtwetwerefo ya owo Ablekuma Central ewo nkramantem he ya
abusuafo yeguso na wapanyiye wono eye frankatufo abedi akire ede ema ndc amanyoko no Professor J na no poku adwman wono so afire papa enu wo kire mu se atantene ne se nyamaya ndc amanyoko no eye den ena wo mo agioma home wo mo so gioma home ya enyeye nia edikan no abato no ni nsunsanso ya electoral commission ede ebaye na owura regimensa edi animu no eye ade so masisi eye ndc amanyoko no ya enokra no ayomo ya papa ya omonka ho asem enwieye enu achi emrase bedwa akonyanso ya no ewatachiman south abato empesa so ya wo mu disia wo gina wanan ewo ndc amanyoko ni mu wano so edi enkunem no ewiase na kyese npp fo so ayire won ho tan egi akonya na firo mu nsam wani ya kyerese wo mode ama opanyi a wono ene ejemensa kosa eno so kra no ndc fo enyanti ase isansa ade a yawo de ade wontra ho emma wano aduane wo yonko so ya ba na ba ma enyi mfiri wanum na enu achi nso kra no sa werehuei wo munya ndi enwieye na wo mo party supporters ejire mu se ne ya modia ena wo mo egia woni eba won ho so na kyese ne bambofo pa prosifo eni militaryfo ene waka won ho abom esan tuo se gangangan ede egu eye ndc amanyoko no eso wamra electoral commission asisi omu no na eye bambofo so asansani tuo ede egu omadehye so eno kra nipa bienu de kwa ne miensa so wo mu awu afri wonsa kwa esan atenterene ya na wonom ehwehwe ama enu achi wonom so aprepra eno so enya asem ketwa enu mu nsem bia na no aba abetodwa se abato de se nia eye Professor J na no pokwa agima ekan Ghana hakra de yenke bi nhemu yehu bi da ya kire se abato mu atimi akwa wie sa no wo de wani ekire baby te se Ablekuma Central abato mpeso so a eno so ehu asem na angel kasebo yede atudwa sesia sa brantia baako a wano ndc dehia no wogira ne naso pampe waware yakura ncha ye moja mono ete se Ibrahim Abbas eno so bambofo sani wo mutua na tan abrante mono sa ne so baba mfaso ede amo my Ghana enya bone bi no odi na emom abato no se be ya tentene ne betimi abam ede amo my Ghana en wo gina ede ama justice no eno bambofo akuno enti ndc fo ani abere papa enti utena ho se enipa a wo mu ati sei ede wo mu kra ananse wo mu nkwa etwa so sei nanse aba no yesisiu yamfa ne saa se ne na kye se wo mu a enam so apa tentene ne no mati nananom ewo ense do no wan hwe o mani monyam na kye se sebe wo mu kra no adane enkwasiafo yentie
ya to abawie ya kan akase ye beye ne efe no collation ye na betena se na ye de enkrata aba na ya ji atumu se techiman no we na di nkunim se na west we na di nkunim techiman south we na di nkunim ne behwa ne se techiman south na etu kasa a wo hwe video na soldier for na etututuo a chese eka ye yonko mu bi a enne omo te he ebi eprepra ebi ahwe omo nkwa ebi da techima hospital ye nim se nyame be ye omadom ana se ne ebesi enti yakoye ebusia baako asemi si ye mi yi general secretary eni ye mpanyimfo ni bi se omo mra na omo behwe ne esi na ne se fata se omo ye na omoye na enne ena meso ekwan emu a me se ene se general mu aba ma meso me die kire na me mehwe ne esi na ebusia na omohwe omonipa no ye de ya kwa ama omo na omo so omo prepare no ya ma omo kose ifi hanso ebeko wenchi na omo da hospital wo hono omo so ebeko akohwe omo
abusiafo na kyerese ensamu a waba panyi di atudwa no eno ena kanema panyi John Dramani Mahama enso ede ababefo so wamra wamu nyina di omani ekyere eye Tachima South abato mpesa so ewo Bunu East mantam no emu ya ni nyina ene se womo edi womo enkonya by force NPP peso wo tafri ede efri womo ensamu eti wei eye ensamu a eyade se vice presidential candidate edema NDC Professor J na no pokwa Bosuman Ede Atuja Ama Eya Kanema Penye John Dramani Mahama so Wanonso Afuasuo. Now would the one atre Eya Ketu South Eya constituency Honswa e also NDC Amanyo Kweneni Abre Papa ya womo Eya Yatre Ede Etia Eya Baton Susaso ya Ora region Adukwe Atre Mensa Ede Atuja no Eho Ede Etrasa Mampenyi Nana Dankwa Kwadwo na Edi Enkunim Ewafi Abatuom no Eho Yetra no Anwaden womo ekyere mu a womani abrede enso yekyere ya womo ye no eya asumdwe ekwan so se be ya wo bia eho enka se de ye nyina ya hwehwe no ano no nemom atentene ne no a na wono ehwehwe ni nyina mu nso womo ani abre se ne wono ekan na kyere se ne de ani bra no ede ekwawie no so no eye electoral ayi komisa dwemtere ni owurare jemensa womo kyere mu se ne afi woba no wakwane abeta na edin ya maame no eje no eno so eye ono kwadin pa yentie ensam a wanya eye ya kyere no wode etudwa
Peaceful protest they do. This is the power of the people. The power of the people. Yeah, this is getting sound. Yeah, you are demonstrating peacefully, and you can see a heavy security presence here, trying to molest the people. Yeah, this is getting sound in the border region, and the protest is nobody.
Etina trasa eye NDC amanyokuo no emu adehia ya womani abre no mu ya yekra ewo Ketu South ede etia abato sunsanso a owura region adukwe atwa mensa ede atudwa no eho yekra ni mu no eye kane oba no ye deputy minister ede tourism ewo NDC abraso se emrase bedwa kwanya ewo Ketu South no na watam ni di eni gifa gwamasi wanu so yentie no
This is Angel 102.9.
Eliana Ayakase, former deputy minister at the tourism ewa NDC abreso wano enamrase bedwa kwanya ewo Ketu South abaton peso so watam jifa gwamashine nka ene yete ye no afa yentie NDC empanyufo ni bi so ya womo ewo Ketu South.
By your officers, completely bizarre, discrimination, undemocratic, and demand an immediate explanation. The same. We find our performance irregularities very unacceptable. These same have affected our electoral bodies here in Ketu South. Ladies and gentlemen, by an aggregate accumulation of all the concerns that we have raised about, we in Ketu South strongly believe that has also affected our national forces. And therefore, we are demanding from the returning officer of the presidential elect to declare
people will be there. I want to assure this town, and I want to assure the good people of this country that His Excellency John Mahama will use every legislative thing to make sure that the right declaration is done. The LDC is not afraid of the court. We know that our courts are there, but we will show those available before when they need our youth.
Etira kyerɛ sɛ deɛ ayi ayɛdwe ɛwɔ Ketu South NDC mpanyinfoɔ ne bi ɛna wɔn nso yɛte wɔn nka yɛ ne nyinaa yɛ kyerɛ yɛ akyerɛ sɛ wɔn de ahyɛhyɛ soɔ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Ketu South nti ɛnwa asɛm no na ɔfa mekan NDC story a bi kyerɛ mu a wɔn si me yɛ NDC do no na ka mekan NDC story no mento nwoma NPP ana wɔn fo ma asɛm so me so wɔn fo ma asɛm ma me so
boko edoma mo hwe nsesi ano eye Ketu South ye besa de mo akọ Accra Ketu South dom no so enya small
ni nyina wa nju Facebook live so
wow
ai
enti ade na akọ nationwide strike bi na de ben se ye be fefachire ye besa fefa ye nsem kyerefo no so na ya hwe ba bia eho odwo ekosan ha we am hwe nyina ya ase omo ekọ ase omo ekosie nipa no ye ko sa no a wo mabom yo se nkrane no ni nyina we anya akrade ni we ye Ketu South mpode no na akra so aben wa central aben tamale aben ade no enya beta kura na ete ho sa no na ACP Kwasi Ofori commander waka bibi de afa Accra de no mama yenkotie embrasisia.
The strategy is to drive out the vandalism that we're witnessing on the street, destroying property, attacking individual, and will not sit down for lawlessness to prevail on our street. First and foremost, the assembly is unlawful, and also using petrol and other dangerous liquid. We will not accept this. And in line with public order management, we will make sure that we drive them out. Base strategy is couched in good governance. Over. You might have noticed that we cleared lorry ties, we cleared obstacles, and we're making sure that we'll continue to clear those that we're seeing.
Our appeal to the youth is that the police is not confrontational, but they should not dare the security services by trying to use petrol and other dangerous liquid by setting fire on the road and doing things that may jeopardize general security.
Commander ACP Kwasi Ofori no watch say mobile demonstration ka boko na modi na mabie hu te se petrol ene ka akoba modi abegu ka akwamu a modi petrol agusu a page atum e hihye saa no e wo se ye pammo enti enye se bia prosifo no ene NDC fo no ebobo mpunumpunumum o so mo kra wo mo firi kwan no so e masomdwe ba so that mean say commander said we see pant no wabre commander no mukra wabre pa
he's not running, he's going to his car
anu edne papa e wo ho no na yentie de binom so kan we eye ama ade pena wode aba ama ade pena kranche aba Facebook wache se honorable kandapa ya wo security minister must act swift or se otimi man ho ye hapa na security for no etimi ma ade no sum fi se anu ohye se ne o ma so Ghana afana nyina we wa na afo ebi otifi ebi wo voter no msa no wan hwe ya asembetimi afagana sipa afi justice afa wia wade aba was obusa was Kwadwo is Ghana a developed country or developing justice yanya developed country developing yen call yanim to say the western world na draw e de eguso asa na United Nations status of the Ghana no nti developing a country afi manye Robert wade aba was say the court is the best place to go but not the streets also monko court to them monko pay attention na motion Ethel Maggie was say let peace reign mama some dwanya dwuma omemu Kwadwo danchi dafo wode so abase ka beya komo lock Ghana down yenye te said nyanka ye COVID-19 bae no omo lock ye down omo ma police for na soja for nkan hye dem ogoto oduane a wumpie bio na omo ye nsa wono nsusu ya wode abare minim so wonso no ne adwuna betima ba Facebook no so na yendru ho no membo hwe na menko ye mampanya be de akire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya wa ye mampanya sese wo hwe akire Ghana mampeni na nado dan Kokufuado make us say woni ha ya brief mwa ya mam updates we the kind eko Cote d'Ivoire share ma Cote d'Ivoire man peni wadina tra kunya so Dr. Alassane Ouattara ni inauguration no kohwebi we fro upon call Guinea and so Professor Alpha Conde okohwebi fro no call London make us say man peni da so London obeba juada e bente man peni abi de chiri and we man peni e wo hanom na abra ejato akantamant no kohwe wakwa na che se nema sepa na ye gu so yesa aka mu bia no ejano ana ehye no na mohwe no NGTV ni Facebook so no na emu na National Security Minister ya obi keka no Facebook ri se won keka no ntem no Honorable Albert Kandapa enya abam mpanifo te se Interior Minister Manuel so for Honorable Ambrose Dewry ene Vice President no mu nyina akoye na asem a ode atudwane se eye boko aban behwe na enemo mahwe nyina no wama omukomo adjon Vice President.
I have seen the damage and so many shops, so many stores have been razed to the ground. As you can see, what we have is a human tragedy. You have about 2,592 people who have been directly affected by this. There's going to be an investigation as to what has happened and why it has happened, and that investigation will proceed as is. But nonetheless, the lives and the livelihoods of the people cannot really await an investigation. Those are more immediate, and so we are going to be looking at how to provide assistance. NADMO, for example, is here, and the Deputy Director Generals are here, and we're going to be looking at how to assist.
This is Angel 102.9.
Asemo mampani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia waka ne se ehwehwemu de bekoso anenso we putupuru enti ombehwe no mo ne market won mpanifo no ahia no mapekwan be obetima faso ama wo mo akire wo mo no wanya asomdwe na wo mkomu ayeha abra investigation so eguso no.
I'm calling a meeting on Friday at my office with the leadership and to look at how we rebuild this market and also how we can provide some amount of support on a humanitarian basis initially, and also some type of we'll look at how to provide some type of business support to provide capital to these shop owners to be able to restart their businesses. It's a tragedy for the people, but it's a tragedy for the country. And we have to look at what the recommendations are and how we, in the process of rebuilding, how we can do it in such a way that that type of devastation doesn't happen. As you know, most of these structures were wooden structures. And so when it started, it really consumed the structures very quickly because they were just fuel for the fire.
Stores na she and our cantonment no mampani abede church say bi on ma yenua e de ye ntetesania o de tabo na te said was so giant tomu a ukatu ani etena che say do trade dada eno nso ka ho bi abra NDC for demonstration afa Ghana fa na nyina na ejanso ehye ba bie no na nsem ne bi nso hye nkran tutupa ne pokrase ene nsawam interchange ekoso ene ka kwan infrastructure ya ekoso eno ena oswafo ohwe akwan akwantemposo mekire Minister for Roads and Highways Honorable Kwasi Amwakwata wakwakobo na nyakon makoye no na niaje wati so far so good na womuntrim ema kontata no efiri ye pokrase krom de kwa amasaman de kwa nsawam ne kwa no ba bia tutupa omunya ntentema doba fontim nyasomdwe woso anigi sam ne se womya nsa wi abema traffic no asubehwa afise bronya ne ekowura mu no omanya ne ntemu a ahokyere beba pa enu achi wasande tudwa na wokyere mu a wose kwan no ebeye bankayam adobafo enum timi fa ha ye beye 5-lane road and a highway ehwasem na ye ka no.
We are doing so because, as expected, we are going to experience heavy traffic between now and Christmas and immediately after Christmas. Call it between now and the end of the year. So it's important that we prepare this stretch of the road, to meet the expected increase in vehicular traffic, vehicular volume.
We was swafo ya wo hwe akwanya kwantempo so Honorable Kwasi amwakwata
na arahosam ene se abrantia ba konso ya kire se ababeto jani ya wawani nua pa se kan esa ebusia japade enti eno ene nam so ya abrantia ya wanya mfie be ya duasa enum 35 years wafiri mu ya di ene Izudin Lawa na eno so ena nia wadi ewuo no ni di ene Hamidu Fuseni nso no prosifo ayere no na wohwemu a akwa no de wo wudi ni pa wohwe se de ase kan wade awowo nua no ho mpem bebre no a na chese oye wudini ampa yentie so me district police commander superintendent Emmanuel Esiama.
They were just discussing about this issue. Lo and behold, suspect Hamidu Fuseni brought out a knife, stabbed the deceased Lawe resident on the neck twice and then the face. So he was rushed to Confirmatory Teaching Hospital for treatment. On their way going, the disease was pronounced dead on arrival. So the suspect, knowing very well that he has stabbed the brother with the knife, he sensed danger and also came to the police station to lodge a complaint of an assault against the deceased. So the police, after taking the complaint and issue a medical form to the suspect, the deceased sister also came and reported about the incident of the deceased death. So the police quickly called the suspect that they haven't issued the medical form well.
Wo call baby to secretary Easter manfo ya wo mu wo ho no empire no wanom ebo se emma onyankopon entonsuo kra na ne nyina ne se enura na yenua Mubarak Yakubu ebo ye amane se wo mu akwan sa bia ho no wo makwan ye no eda eye bipomu ewo baby to se esukokọ eba di wurawuramu ewo esukokọ bridge ho ene wura dambai akwantempon no eso no kwase wo mu ne se efrase ya ejiri na ensuo to a asemu aba eti ahuhura yimu a obi ebo mpaye ne se ensuo beto na aduane so kura aba no manfo ho ne de kire mu se onyankopon emansuo nto
people no jiri especially say do rainy season people no ejiri pa ohwe kwan no ama eho no say egura bi ejiri bebu mu ama MC no by ne contractors on better say when nyina fi mu ba MC eho no still enye papa eno na ye hwa cause sa accident cause usania na obedu a e so sim amana no mu ansa asan twam nti se wonye driver wonimu kwan so papa na se break ye adwuma enua owu na obewu accident na enya na if kwan no de bia na so koba de bia driver na nkasa na onim o hye da nim kwan no etse no efisoro na na adwene se nko betimi de asan o bedru ha na atutu no ka ne bom na awuwe no na wo de abebo people na ase
eya humete sam hu kwanhia ye de eba manfo ya wo mo e wo krachi East Empire mo bo se emansuo ento ne ho asam ene ate bie no
papa bi na waso okodwa ne nan kumase na waso okoye no na ohunu se oba bi a wafafuro yekuno besem se mu didi a momfa encheme enya kra decomposed body na ahumete then so ya kan ne nsu sa no ebien de ya na wose yi ekire muada enti en honmo a Kumase Parks and Gardens won hia so honmo a opemfo pa woni abofra ni nyina ya hye ne mu nyina na akwa no nse nipa no kopie skwa no wotua ne hwene no omanfo akohwe bie kyese wontua hwena de bewura hwene mu nyade obi atime nye ya kyese abra ho paani o mese enti abra mu ne nsem twe ni Pure FM nsem twe wo se Kwadwo ambassador twhwe ko mo ne nkofo se elections time yi pa ne politicians ne wo mo ne ma motimi ye die ene opemfo se do musi ni wuo no hwe se de ni wuo no sitie no a ase ya nhye den kunu se o de nye kwa na bibi bewom yenti
Ani ejuma na dodo na ta kuji omo na onwura mu ho ene sa no pe wana be be kai se obi awuda on ti enko hwe be ko ti se de body na ya se mpa owu da ha che be boso mi na echi ba no point na enyanti pampan se obi awuda on ti bia no pe ya na ya ko hu na ani enyan tum so opemfo a wonyam no fu no kura pie fi se me be ejuma de me hu bisa da me ti bi kura da ndan ko Ahana dear, Bamba wants some daughter can be no, who ya in that the tennis. So far, I'm behind saying secret no one, me said then who secret be or by most of our grabbing a man say. No crowd, no beer, said baby, and who didn't be when you more case. Wait me up, and Hana Casada, Dodona John Monine, who said at an idea any henty. Dodona John Monine, who one saying, a banana be within the crab, Shema, to be a beshon. No, however, no, who says on trust the police for Nabaha, or my baby child phone, but one can't read him say, I'm a far car before what knows, so money manager and a casa inti. He said they mean to me Kabibia.
A bassa, sir, and anyway, where bassa, when you want, yes, when you want, and should be, well, now I go for ye, superstitious when you want, should be, until Montum was a paar more money, mono. We are now more share manco for Namunya careful pa. Or from Kwadwo Dickson, a year case woman, mene.
A buffalo crown sanitation ambassador one, na a chair Oduro. And now, yadi, a bremo, near the Nasi, Macafa.
Send out the Yamana Mammy Philly. Atajwa, many would only a movie, where part one. It was Wasborn TV, what I say, telling about all your entertainment, what I say, just tune in. So, what do you call? Mafia, do you? And so, me frewa ya umfa. Oh, say, won't pay me being so any account. Obey yourself, massa.
Now, you have no choice than to switch up to Wasborn TV and stay connected. Wasborn TV.